What's up, people? Currently on my way to go help my buddy fix his bash bar, basically the whole front end of his Prelude. Since I just did it, I figured I might be able to help him out. I don't really have a whole lot up in Dallas, but we'll see what I can do. Well, here's what we got. It's a little bit crooked. No threads down here. And this side's alright, but you know, needs some work. Alright, here's where the magic happens. Actually, wait, I'm gonna twist this. Turns out I don't need it. This is tall enough. Alright, I tried the jack trick. We're gonna go buy some washers for the bolts that he does have and see if it lifts it a little bit. Alright, here we are looking for some washers to kind of pop the bumper up since the Redneck fix. So we just stuck some washers between the fucked up part and the bash bar so that now it sticks up more. A little shitty washer trick. Actually,
show them the washers.
Yeah, that's like
crazy. The fact that they actually work though is crazy.
So we got 3 washers. This gap used to be about down to here, I want to say. So we'll see what it looks like all together. What it does.
Oh, well, it works.
Well, at least we'll know it will fit in there. Alright. Oh. It's always my least favorite part. So we actually got 4 washers in there. I would recommend putting that many, but honestly, whatever the fuck works.
Yeah, it worked. It worked.
Yep.
So that matters.
Yeah, so we'll see how the gap looks now. So once it's bolted down, it's gonna look about this. And from what it used to be, take what you can get. And this side is now no gap. Once it's bolted, of course. But that shit. It's kind of.
I think I have a longer bolt.
Alright, we're gonna use this to try and mix it up.
Is working or not?
Yeah, a little bit. Not really.
Where the fuck did I pull the bolts? This nail? Or is it too short?
This is kind of working. I think I need more hardener. That's a nasty cold start. That sounds good though. Nice. Back over this. See, this shit hardened.
Hold on, I'm gonna turn on this light over here, see if it turns on.
Alright. Kinda. This hasn't really hardened at all, but I think we put enough of it where it won't fall out. So yeah, I'd say it's probably the most redneck fix I've had to do in a while. JB weld everywhere. Washers holding it up. But until we can weld this, it'll hold.
To be honest, I don't think I'm gonna ever. What we gotta do is
plug them in.
Yeah, and put the.
Yeah, it's time to put the bumper on, see how fucked up or good we made it. For how big this gap was, it's not too bad. Considering we just rednecked the fuck out of it, it's not bad. Well, we're missing a bolt up there, or else this would be touching. And then It's not an inch anymore. He's missing the little plastic things in there. This would be a little bit less. But
yeah, I think I'm gonna just...
For a little redneck fix, it ain't that bad. It ain't that bad, but...
Just the left side's still fucked up, but...
Yeah, it's a bit better, but... Just for reference, this is how bad the panel gap used to be between the bumper and the fender and, you know, everything else. Alright, well,
I don't know if this goes in.
gotta reconnect the lights now.
Fuck.
I don't think that was right.
It went in, so...
Well, one way to find out.
Yep.
Hey!
Is that the low beam? What is it?
Yep. Wait, no, you have it wired backwards. That's the high beam.
Fuck, yeah, that's...
It's all good. Well, now they're working properly, so there we go. That's how you redneck the shit out of your bumper and kind of fix it.
Oh, string.
It's alright.
Oh, I didn't even let it hit you up. I'm stupid. Probably that's why.
That's how it be.
Give him some distance, and then I'll do it.
Yep. Alright, well, that's gonna be all for this video. If you want to do it properly, you're gonna have to weld it like I did, but that's just a quick fix if you don't have a welder or don't know anyone that can weld. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.